Okay, we are going to be starting with scale factor application to lines. Make sure you put your last name and your first name and which class period you have me, math class. We're going to be talking about how the unit rate or the scale factor will apply to lines. And we have to figure out what changes. So I'm noticing that I'm going to write on it, but we'll see if it works. So all the sides are 3. So this one may be easy. Okay. And I know I'm going to have to scroll up and down because I can't see the whole page, but I kind of have to do this so that everybody can see it from the back of the room. A scale factor of 4 is applied. What is the new length of line AB? So a scale factor of 4 means it's a 1 to 4 ratio. So that means that this is my small square. My small square is going to get bigger by 4. So that means I'm going to take that 3. It's going to get 4 times bigger. And that means it will take up 12 spaces. So I'm wondering if all these questions are the same thing. A scale factor of 4 is applied. What is the new length of line AB? Well, AB is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer to that one is 12. Okay. Then it's asking about line AC. So because of the one that we chose to do, it said AC. Well, let me draw. So AC is this line right here. It's 3, but it's going to get 4 times bigger. So it too is going to be 12. And right now, because this is a perfect square, that doesn't really matter. You know, all of these answers are going to be 12 because all of the sides are the same. What I'm wanting you guys to notice is they are asking about different lines. So example, they're asking about line CD. Well, CD is 3, so I'm going to take that 3 times 4 because it's getting 4 times bigger, and it's going to be 12. So again, I probably shouldn't have made it a square because all of the answers to this first one is 12. But I wanted you to see how you have to pay attention to what the lines are. AC comes from AC. All right, and now we're going to hit next. I'm thinking I might make this a little bit smaller so that I can see it. Okay, so now we're looking at the image below, and it's going to be a scale factor of 5. So this is where it comes into play. A scale factor of 5 is applied. What is the new length of line AB? So AB is right here, and its length is 3. So the scale factor is 1 to 5, and AB is the line originally. It is 3. So that 1, the tiny square, this is our tiny square before we blow it up, is 3. So I can do cross multiplication. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times x is x. Or I can just say, okay, it's 5 times bigger. Scale factor of 5 is applied, so therefore 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, it doesn't give me any units, so I'm good to go. We're going to do the next one, and this is where it starts to change a little bit. This wants to know now, what is the new length of line BD? So I have to pay attention. It shifted my lines. That new line is 2. So again, I am dealing with 1 over 5. So my scale factor is 1 to 5 or 5 to 1. And so I am going to make sure that it's getting bigger. So the little one is 2. And the unknown is that big one. So 5 times 2 is 10. X is 1 times x. We may have done this already back at the table, but you're just applying that scale factor to it. So the scale factor is 5. 5 means it's getting bigger. If it's a fraction, it's getting smaller. But I have to pay attention to what the lines are. All right, the next one is line CD. CD is right here. and it's 3. And it's still a scale factor of 5, so 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, so I can go put that answer in down here as well. And we need to look at line AC. So AC is right here. It is 2. 2 times 5, 10. So my answer to that one will be 10. Making sure I hit pause. You guys want to make sure that you have them in the correct order, or they won't be correct. But what you need to pay attention to on the test is which line. Which line is it asking for? Hit next. Ooh, now we got a long one. Okay, so this might take a minute. It's a scale factor of 3, so I have to think about all of them. Well, let's look at my lines. AB is 1, so I'm going to come over here and do this. AB, this is what I would suggest you do. AB is 1. BC is 1. See, BC is right here. CD is 1. DE, guess what? It too is 1. EF, 1. FG now turns into 2. FG is 2. GH is 3. And then because we have to go alphabetical, A, H is also 2. Now, a scale factor of 3 is applied. So that 3 means I need to multiply all of these by 3. So this one becomes 3. This one becomes 3. This one becomes 3. This one becomes 3. I think you're getting the point, right? Hopefully I don't have to write and draw at the same time. But basically a scale factor, if it's a whole number, is just going to make it bigger. So you'll have to multiply. Equals 9, and 2 times 3 equals 6. Now I wrote all of these down because when I go to type in my answers, I need to make sure that I am putting the right line answers in. So for example, this is line AB. What is it after the scale factor of 3 applied? Well, the answer is over there. It is 3. Okay, line BC. BC has a scale factor of 3 as well. CD with the scale factor of 3 also becomes 3. DE with the scale factor of 3 becomes 3 also. Line EF is still 1. Scale factor of 3 becomes 3. Scale factor of 3 to line FG. Well, FG is now 2, so it's not 3 anymore. It becomes 6. A scale factor of 3 for GH. That's 3 times 3, which is 9. And the last one is 3. So I want you to notice that the reason why I wrote this down is so that I made sure that I could answer the questions. Your test may look similar, but not the same. So understanding what a scale factor is and what it does, that's why we're going over it. So I'm going to hit submit. Make sure I didn't make any mistakes. It does happen, as we know. Oh, it says I did. So what did I miss? Let's see. Probably down here. Let's see. 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I went 6, 9. Oh, yeah, I typed 3. Said 6, typed 3. So I hope you guys have watched this far. What else is new? What I wrote down was correct. What I typed in was incorrect. And that stinks. But that does happen on the regular.